Find the antiderivative of 4x plus 3 all being raised to the 2 by using the substitution u equals 4x plus 3. First, let's write the original integral that we're being asked to perform. We want to find an antiderivative for this. Now, it's a more complicated function than we've dealt with in the past. So what we'll do is we'll attempt to simplify it with a good choice of u. So let's let u equal 4x plus 3. The reason why this simplifies it is now it becomes a simple power rule. However, we do need to get the variables to match here. We can't have u and x working together. We need everything in terms of u. So let's find du over dx, and then we'll rewrite it. If we solve for dx, we get dx equals 1/4 du. Now we can take the 1/4 du and substitute it in for the dx in our integral. Next, let's find an antiderivative. Our last step is to replace u with our original definition of it. U stands in place of 4x plus 3. So that's going to be our final answer. Okay, the next one says integrate 1 over x minus 5, where the denominator is being raised to a 2 power. Now we have to imagine, how can we get rid of part of this expression and replace it with a u so that it turns into a function that we know how to integrate. Now if we let u equal x minus 5, then that will work here. Our integral will transform into 1 over u squared dx. Now we see that du equals dx. So rewrite it once again. We know how to find the antiderivative of 1 over u squared. We can do it with the power rule. U to the negative 2 has an antiderivative of u to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. But let's not stop there. Let's go back and put in our x minus 5. So our final simplified answer is this. All right. Let's try an antiderivative of 1 over 1 minus 3x dx. It would be great if our u was equal to 1 minus 3x, because then we would have 1 over u dx. If we take the derivative, we'll find that du equals negative 3 dx. Therefore, negative 1/3 du equals dx. Alright, so this will give us negative 1/3 times the integral of du over u. Now that has a known antiderivative that we should be familiar with. It is the natural log of u. And so once we plug back in the 1 minus 3x, we have it solved.